Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn on volume up button for taking pictures or videos, so it can be very useful. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is simply go ahead and open settings app. Once you are in the settings app, you need to scroll down all the way, and here you will be able to see camera, so just tap on it. Once you tap on the camera, here what you need to do is simply tap on the use volume up forward. So you just simply need to toggle on this option. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, see you soon in another video.